السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah, Insha'Allah, we'll continue our study of Surah An Nisa, connecting one ayah at a time, Insha'Allah. Okay, so we stopped here. We'll start here then. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما. Okay, so Allah was saying here in this ayah, what's wrong with them, why they're not fighting, right? Why they're not fighting for the cause of Allah, for those weak or oppressed people who were left in Mecca, right? So Allah then differentiates then who is the one who fights for Taghut and for Allah. If you are a believer, then yuqatilu fi sabilillah. If you actually listen, because that's the next one, those who believe fight in the cause of Allah. الذين آمنوا يقاتلون في سبيل الله. If you really believe, then you would do that, right? والذين كفروا يقاتلوا في سبيل الطاغوت فقاتلوا أولياء الشيطان. And then this is where we're gonna find our next clue. إن كيد الشيطان كان ضعيفا. Weak, right? And the next ayah, talking about weak people, weak. ألم تر إلى الذين قيل لهم كفوا. At first, they were told, restrain your hands from fighting. Because at the beginning, the Muslims were like eager to fight. They wanted to fight back because they were being oppressed and everything. And they wanted to fight back. But then when they already migrated to Medina, when they were already comfortable and they were safe, they didn't want to fight anymore. So this is what it's talking about. ألم تر إلى الذين قيل لهم كفوا أيديكم. This one. وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فلما, and then, but then, فلما كتب عليهم القتال إذا فريق منهم, what happened to them? يخشون الناس كخشية الله أو أشد خشية, right? So that's why I connected to this one, because they're weak. You wanted to fight, but now that you need to fight, you don't want to. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm just trying to relate. I know it's difficult, whatever they went through, but I'm just saying, that's how I thought about it. Because now that you need to fight, you don't want to listen, right? خشية they would, then this is what they said. وقالوا ربنا لما كتبت علينا القتال لولا, why don't you just delay it some more? ولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب, right? So that's how I connected these two. And then, so they're scared because they don't want to fight, and then, of course, they don't want to die. But if you think about it that way, if you believer to fight, that's what they want. The ones who were like really with high iman at that time, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, they really wanted to fight. So those wanted to become martyrs, right? But anyway, so that the reason, the way I connected to the next one is this one, because it's connected actually. It doesn't matter if you go or not, you're gonna die anyway. This is basically what the ayah is saying. The next one, أينما تكونوا يدرككم الموت, right? That will overtake you, even if you should be within your lofty towers, right? Doesn't matter where you are, you will die anyway. وإن تصبهم حسنة يقولوا هذه من عند الله, right? But if good comes to them, they'll say it's from Allah. And then if something bad happens, this is from you, because they didn't like Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, right? This is from you. And then Allah is telling them, قُلْ كل من عند الله, they're all from Allah. فما لهؤلاء قوم لا يكادون يفقهون حديثا. And then this one is connected to this again about this one, because they all have so whatever comes to you. See it, if there's something good to you, because it sounds the same actually. وما أصابك من حسنة, see, وإن تصبهم حسنة, right? This one, وما أصابك من حسنة فمن الله. So again, حسنة and then the other one is sayyi'ah. Oh, sorry. No, I didn't mean to do that. Not speech bubble again. This one, and then the same thing here. Ma. There's no wa actually, because I used to have problem that I keep making a mistake. I said wama. It's ma. There's no wa. So ma asabaka min hasanatin, and then the other one sayya again. وأرسلناك للناس رسولا وكفى بالله شهيدا. Shahida. Shahada. That's how I remember it. Shahada is about Allah and Rasul, and that's the next one. See? من يطع الرسول فقد أطاع الله. Right? I mean, it's not Shahada, but it has something to do with Allah and the Messenger. That's how I remembered it. ومن تولى فما أرسلناك عليهم حفيظا. Right? So we can stop there, inshallah. Inshallah you found that helpful and you were able to see it the way I see it, the way I connect it, the way I think about the tafseer and the meaning of the words. And inshallah I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.